why everybody is so excited about fall videos right now. I mean, it is still summertime, right? And yes, I know I have released some fall videos, but those don't count because those were older videos. I've decided I am not going to make any fall videos quite yet. I am going to make fall videos, but not yet because it's still summer and you can still have lots of fun in the summertime. In fact, I went to Hobby Lobby and I found some great deals, and it's not all fall stuff.
It all just goes away. The things I plan to say. Oh baby.
Hello my crafty friends, it's me Lisa, the DIY Diva. I just love the name of my channel, the DIY Diva. Sounds like I should be like that, but I'm not. I'm just me, and this is me. But like I said in the beginning, everybody is putting out tons and tons of fall videos, and I guess it's because they want to be relevant or they want to keep up with the huge YouTubers, which, don't get me wrong, I want to keep up with them too, but it's still summertime. And to prove that point, I went to Hobby Lobby. Yes, I was looking at the fall stuff because it's all in your face. You can't help but not look at all of the fall stuff that they have. And they really do have some really great stuff for decorating for fall or DIY projects. But right now they actually have some great deals on summer stuff. And honestly, that was what I was going for, because I know when they start discounting all of the fall stuff and it's still summertime, they actually discount the summer stuff or the things from the spring shop even more. And they are. So like at my Hobby Lobby right now, all of the spring and summer items that they have are 75% off. That is such a great deal. And yes, while I am getting in the fall mode, it's still nice outside. I still want to do things outside. So I found some really cool and fun things, and I'm going to show them to you right now. Some of the things I got. So this is a bag of things that I got at Hobby Lobby. But look at this guy. Isn't he cool? This is a huge turtle. A wooden turtle. He's pretty cool. And ever since my husband and I went to Hawaii, oh my gosh, I love Hawaii. It's so beautiful. And it makes me really sad with all of the fires that are going on there. But they have lots of turtle art in Hawaii. And this was so cool, and I thought this would work perfect for an addition of some Hawaiian turtles into my decor. And normally this turtle is $21.99, and he's totally unfinished, just a unfinished piece of wood for $22. But because it was 75% off, I got this for a smoking hot deal. Thing that I got a good deal on. Oh no. Okay, I have been wanting this for 2 years now, and isn't this awesome? Do you know what this is? This is a beautiful bird bath. It's glass, and it does come with the stand. Now this bird bath is normally $79.99, so $80 for a glass bird bath, and there was no way I was gonna spend $80 on a bird bath. But with the discounts they're having, I was like, you know what, this is the year. I am totally going to get this bird bath. And a while ago I made a video showing how I cut a tree down. Well, when I cut that tree down, my intention was to use the base of that tree as a stand for a bird bath. and I was thinking about making my own bird bath, but when I saw this, I was like, no, I really want this. It's just beautiful. And my husband laughed at me and he was like, that's pretty colorful, but it looks so pretty outside. I was like, yeah, I was really happy I got it. Why I think we should all embrace summer. I'm really happy that I got it. And then I found this super cute little, I guess it's a sphere that looks like it's foliage, and it's normally $9. And you know what? I actually have my receipt. I had him put it in the bag. So this had a price tag of $8.99. Find it on my trusty receipt. I paid $2.25 for this. Good deal. I also found these. These say today's good morning is sponsored by coffee. And those are cute. They're just boxes. Just little boxes. I found a really awesome set of stacked books. I'm going to show you that in an upcoming video because it is fall related, and like I said, not doing fall right now. So look for that in an upcoming video. And so you don't forget, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel and then hit the bell notification so you'll be alerted every time I have a new video coming out. That way you'll get to see all of my fall videos when it's fall. And then something else that I found, these are so cute, like the rubber boots, and it's wood and it's called Flower Rain Boots Decor, and it is so pretty. And I thought it would be fun to show you how easy it is to paint something like this, because you might be curious, well, that's really cool, but I'm going to lose the pattern. Oh no, you won't. And I'm going to show you how you can paint this. It's super easy, just like the turtle, and I'm going to show that to you right now.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you. like your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you. Dreaming of you.
Now, does that make sense of why I'm like, hold on, it's too soon for fall. It is still summertime, so I encourage you, get out there, go to your local Hobby Lobby and get some really cool things that you can use in your decorating right now for the rest of summer so you can enjoy them now, and then you can put them away and enjoy them next year. So I've still got a lot of crafting to do. I'm gonna go play outside for a bit, but like I said earlier, it's too soon for fall. I still got stuff to do for summertime. So I'm going to go out there and I'm going to do it.